up beauties and welcome back to this channel. This is me, Juna, again, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing the decoration for the wedding, and I'll be showing you the stuff that I bought or that I'll be using for the decoration. So here are some of the stuff that I'll be using. So I've got this sort of vines with white flower, so that's actually like 12 like set. And then I have this sort of heavy-duty tablecloth which I connected to each other. Those are like actually 4 of them. And then I have 4 of these ivy trellis. So these are, or so this would be sort of the background of the patio. And also I've got heaps of flowers, and I'll be using these, how do you call this one, cable ties to secure everything in place, and also this drawing paint. So I'm just waiting for my partner Dave to be ready so we could start for the decoration. And also later on my friends will be coming for a little catch-up thing. So we will start decorating now, and we just put on our jacket and beanie since it's really freezing. So we are almost done with putting the tablecloth, and as you can see it's very windy. So we will just secure the bottom part later on. So this time we are putting ivy trellis, the ones with the leaves. So that might also help in securing the white tablecloth at the back. We bought 4 of this one. So this ivy trellis, we bought this one from Kmart. We got 4, and then we bought also that tablecloth from Kmart. So we're done putting that one on, and we just secure it with some cable ties on the top, and we will also secure it here so we won't see any gaps in between. So the girls are here, so we're still waiting for Jess and Peter to arrive. So the next thing that I'll be doing is I'll put the curtains on the side. So I'll just be putting some curtains on that side as well as at the top, just to cover the gap. So we're done with the curtains. So that's how it looks like now. So but we still have a lot of stuff to do. Kompleto na kami. Nandito na si Jess. Jess? And mag-continue na kami mag-decorate. Uwi na daw sila. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. The decoration is almost finished, and I'm so thankful for my friends who helped me decorating this one. It's such a big help. So that's the look. So it's actually not finished yet, since I'm still planning of like putting letter J and D. That's for like Juna and Dave as a background, but we already bought it. But I'm planning to put it on the day already because it's like a floating balloon. So it has like, how do you call that, babe? Like helium?
Helium.
So it has helium in it, so it's like a floating balloon, and I want to put it outside where it's like sunny, because like I say, it might damage the balloon, and yeah, it's gonna cost us money again if we need to buy again. So those are the balloons. So we've got letter J, letter D, and like a ring balloon. So we got those balloons from that variety shop. So they sell party stuff and things. That's where we also bought those like flowers and some vines. So we were also early today because we need to go to that last for cake. So this cake shop is owned by a Filipina from Davao, and it was recommended to me by David's dad. So we already have our cake, so we pick it up today. It's because we don't want to sort of rush stuff tomorrow on the wedding day. So this is like a sneak peek of our wedding cake. It's actually really beautiful. But for a second, that is my soon-to-be husband. He's very busy in ordering chat time. Oh, are you ordering chat time? Yes, guys, so that laugh means yes. Sneak peek of our wedding cake. That is really cute wedding tapa. That is gorgeous. So sneak peek. So that's it for now, and I'll show you the rest of the cake on the wedding video. So we're just finishing the decoration today, and what we're gonna do now is just to put that sort of red blanket as a carpet, and then after that we're gonna put something on the background.
So 1.5. Like, yeah. And then we'll have to pay at least here, I would say.
Well, that's the end.
I would say so.
We're done putting the blanket that will serve as our carpet, and we're just removing this one so we could have more space here in the patio. And we're 99.9% finished with the decoration, and that's how it looks like for now. So we're already put the ring in there, and we still need to put the J and the D afterwards, but the J and D we will still use it for like photos later on, so we might put it a bit later. So stay tuned for the next video so you would see like the whole decoration, and if we would still have time, then we will insert like a clip or a photo of the whole decoration. So that's it for the wedding preparation or the decoration, and please do watch the next video that I will be uploading. That would be the wedding video. So if you enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you won't miss any of my uploads. And also, if you want to see the final look of the decoration, please do watch the next video that I'll be uploading. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye!